So today we're going to take a look at Stockopedia's top stocks for July 2025, and we're going to see how these stocks performed. We did cover them previously on an early video, and today we're going to look back and see how some of these stocks did perform after this video. Now, just to let you guys know, Stockopedia are actually doing a results season insights and stocks to watch for Q4. So they'll give some updated stocks on that webinar for stock momentum after strong trading updates. So if you do want to access that, I'll actually put a link in the description and the comment section. It is free to attend that webinar. It is on Thursday, September the 25th. And it's going to be between 5 p.m. and 6 p.m. What's going to happen is Graham is going to go on there and point out stocks that are currently showing strong momentum with earnings, and also stocks that are probably showing weak momentum with earnings as well. And also there'll be a Q&A session as well towards the end of the video. Like I said, it's free to attend, so I'll put that in the comment section as well. And that's the great thing with this. You guys know I'm a big fan of Stockopedia, but the great thing about these webinars is it just gives you ideas for you to look at stocks that might be interesting to invest in, really. And that's a great thing, isn't it? I think that's why a lot of you guys come to me and watch my videos, is that it just gives you some ideas for stocks that might be worth a little bit of a look at. So what we're going to do today is we're going to look at the top 10 UK stocks for July 2025. This was mentioned on this previous video that I did here, and we're going to see how they performed. Now, just to let you guys know, this was all taken from Tuesday. So on Tuesday, the performance was 7.6% from the 1st of July to where they are currently at right now. If you compare that to the FTSE All Share Index, that is currently up 3.89%. So these stocks here actually did end up outperforming the FTSE All Share Index by nearly double, which is obviously pretty good going there. So let's go through these 10 stocks and see how they performed. Now, when I did this video previously, I don't know if I can scan on it really quickly, but the two that really caught my eye was Currys and the other one was Journeo. Those were the two that I looked at and thought, okay, they actually do a little bit, they do look really interesting, and those are the two that I actually pointed out on that video there for you guys. Now, since that time frame, Currys has actually performed quite well. You can see here that Currys is up around about 10%, so that's a pretty decent performance in the last few months. And I think the earnings momentum has continued with that stock, because I do believe they came out with another earnings update and the earnings were once again pretty strong. So yeah, you can see here the way that Stockopedia uses the stock rank system to find these stocks that are showing good momentum can sometimes point some really interesting stocks out there. And the other one that I pointed out, which was Journeo as well, yeah, exactly the same again with them guys. I believe that they have once again come out with another earnings update, and I think the earnings update was once again really strong. And you can see here, really since August, there's been a really big shift up in the share price, up nearly 36%. And since the 1st of July for these guys, Journeo is up around about 28%, so pretty good performance there. Now, looking at the other 8 stocks that were on this list, we've got Frontier Developments, which was actually the one that I nearly picked over Currys, funny enough, as the mention for the previous video that I did. But you can see here that one is up 27%, so really good momentum from Frontier Developments. I believe as well they've come out with another strong update as well, and that earnings momentum has continued. The next one hasn't performed as well, which is Hikma Pharmaceuticals. I don't know if that's how you correctly say it, but yeah, as you guys know, I'm not a big fan of pharma stocks, but yeah, this one is down around about 18%, so that one's had a little bit of a drop. We've got McBride next, and if we look at their performance, they from the 1st of July, they're currently down about 19%. We've got Morgan Sindall Group, and since the 1st of July, these guys are down, I believe, around about 5%. By the way, this does not include dividends, which actually, obviously some of these stocks do include dividends, which obviously could make a little bit of a significant difference. But plus 500 is as well that one. Let's go to the 1st of July on here. That's down about 8% during that time frame. We've got Ramsden Holdings, and since the 1st of July to where we're at right now, that's up 7%. Same again, another dividend payer as well, which I'm not including in this here. We've got Supplat Energy And if we look from the 1st of July, these guys are up around about 23%. So again, a really lovely dividend as well there, which is obviously not currently factored in at the moment. And we got Sabia. I don't know if that's how you correctly say it again, but this has been a really strong performer. I mean, over the last year, it's actually up 171%. And since the 1st of July, they are currently up 35%. So that's actually been a pretty strong performer there. So you can see here, yeah, overall that means the overall return is 7.6%. Like I said, it doesn't include dividends. And compared to the FTSE All Share Index, yeah, that is a double outperformance of the FTSE All Share Index, which is obviously pretty good going. So yeah, obviously this is the great thing, you know, when you do get these 10 stocks, you can pick and choose the ones that you think are you know, good investments to take a little bit more research on. And then as well, I guess that's also why it's good to do a diverse list of, you know, a good couple of stocks, because you know, you are going to get a couple of stocks that maybe don't perform that well, but if the majority of stocks perform that well, then obviously that will make up for any ones that have a little bit of a downturn. And you can see here that, you know, through the likes of Journeo, Frontier Development, and Saraba Gold, that's obviously been a very good performer as well, as you can see here. So that's really good identification from Stockopedia to find those stocks out. So yeah, those were the 10 stocks in July. Like I said, Stockopedia are currently going to do a results season insights and stocks to watch for Q4, which is going to be on Thursday, the September the 25th, which hopefully through there they're going to go through once again a new list of stocks. I don't know if it's going to be exactly 10 stocks that are going to be mentioned on there, but we'll give you some more stocks that could be, you know, interesting ones to watch at the moment, and if the momentum continues as well, and also a little bit of a Q&A session as well. So yeah, I'll make sure I put the link in the description and the comment section for that, guys. So yeah, go check that out, and hopefully maybe going forward as well, we might end up covering those them stocks when they are released from the Thursday webinar as well. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video as well, and I'll see you in a bit.